mirror sunglasses, so I can't touch on the lenses. And these were pretty expensive. So yes. Hi, welcome to my channel. Why am I doing this? I don't know. No, actually, I know. Why am I doing this? Because I don't have anything else to do. Fucking blind. These fast track glasses were pretty expensive, so I had to flex them. Anyways, hi, my hair's so. Anyways, yes. Hi. So what are we gonna do today? We're gonna take the BTS Festa exam. Did I prepare for it? Do I know shit about it? No. I didn't check the answers, obviously. I thought it would be a good idea to film me taking the exam. So that means I need to show my ugliest handwriting to everyone. I guess that's how it's gonna be. So yes, I have the paper here. I'm gonna take this exam, although I don't know shit. Let's just do it because I like to suffer. We have the paper here. So I was thinking if I should show you that, my handwriting. And answers? No! I'll just be talking to myself, just writing my exam like this, probably telling you, just ranting to you about how bad I am at exams and how I'm not fit to be an army because I'll suck at this exam. Get ready for a very big grand session. That's about to come. Name. Done. Test ID. I wasn't given a test ID. Let's see how many boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Maybe I can write my birth date. Or should I have remembered the date when I became an army so that I could write it as my test ID with? I love this pen, but I hate this pen at the same time because if you put this down for once, it doesn't write correctly. When you take care of it properly, like the same way an Indian parent takes care of the plastic bags that come when they buy groceries, then it works perfectly fine, perfectly fine. So for test ID, I'm going to write my birthday. Yep. That was nice. And don't judge me for my ugliest handwriting. Really makes so much noise. That's what I say. Anyways, ensure that you have the correct test sheet. I do have the correct test sheet. Write your name and test ID in the space provided. I did. Write the following text for handwriting verification. Y'all are gonna verify my handwriting. Alright. International K-pop. It's K-pop, not pop K. I am offended. But for my biggest handwriting, this space is not enough. Come on. This space is not gonna be sufficient for my fucking big ass handwriting. Oh my god, I think I can make it. Let's move on to the next question. Which of the following is not one of RM's companion plans? This is so fucking difficult. I think I'm gonna cry. I am gonna fail at this exam. I was so happy to take this exam because I'd be like, some exam that I can finally ace on, but I don't think, dude. I don't even think if I'll pass this exam. Should I just do Icky Pinky Ponky and just select what comes? The lucky god said that the answer is number 3. So, I will pick number 3. Number 2. Which of the following is Jin's shoulder width? How would I know that? Like, dude, if you know this answer correctly, you're a stalker, not a fan at this point. Next word. What is the waist size of Jin? No, this ain't it, big hit. This ain't it. I want to select 47 centimeters because it is the smallest hip size. And when I looked at Jin's hips, it seemed pretty small. I sound like some Saseng fan. So yes. Should I go for 47? Now I'll go for 48 because it has the number 8. And this is the 8th anniversary. Which of the following are roles played by Sugar, Fokul FM 0613 storytelling time. Choose all that apply. I actually know the answer for this because I just saw this. I rewatched this a few days ago. Mom. I think it's mom. Narrate. The following is a screenshot from a Bangtan bomb. Which of the following describes the situation depicted in this? I think I'll go for the third one. The luck gods. They just telling to me that it's a Benjamin song, Christmas Love, released in December 24, 2020. One of the words in the lyrics was being untranslatable and led many armies around the world to want to learn the Korean language. What was that word? Oh my god, I know this. It was Sobus. I think it's Sobuk. I think it's Sobuk. Which of the following is not a term in the Thai language vocabulary? Yeah, it's in Korean. What makes you think I know Korean? I have given up on myself at this point. Honestly, this is nothing but just pain and suffering. It's not I don't know because I don't know Korean. 7. Which of the following is not a picture drawn by Jumpy? Obviously. This one? Yoongi drew it in a YouTube live. If this is wrong, I'm gonna go hang myself in somewhere. Page number 1. Done, y'all motherfuckers. What is the venue shown in the photograph below? It was a wrong idea to black and white print it because I don't know what stadium this is until I see this. But I have a feeling that I know what stadium this is. Yes, I got the paper. It's Jamshid Olympic Stadium, isn't it? It better be right. Wanna cry. How many remix versions of the Billboard #1 hit Dynamite have been released, including the original song? Just a lot. It had like, including the original song. So
Dynamite, medium remix, tropical remix, acoustical remix. Okay, let me go once again. Dynamite, medium remix, tropical remix, acoustic remix, and then they had some.
So the answer is 8. Choose the correct value for blanket. Why would you put fucking max here? My self-esteem level has gone from I'm gonna rock this shit to are you sure you're in army? So army is 10. 4, let's say BTS is 4. It makes sense. Say Bora is 2. Okay, yeah. That'll do it. The answer would be 5th one. List the army bombs in chronological order. But this is actually pretty easy. The 4th one looks super simple and it has the ARMY, that thing. So this was the first version. This is easy. It's 4, 3, 1 and 2. Which of the following is the correct date and location of armies? How would I know? It's time for Inky Pinky Ponky, y'all. Inky Pinky Ponky says it's March 8, 2014 Olympic Hall. So it is gonna be that. At which of the first performances was Borahe, I Purple You first used? I have not watched any of these except the 2016 Master of Fire. So I will go for the first one. Finally some question that I know the answer for sure. What is the name of the mountain that army can never climb? Look at the consonants below and write the words that come to your mouth. I don't know Korean. Why do you have so much Korean questions? Which of the following is the official army logo? Copy the following picture. Listen, my handwriting looks like my face. Now I'm supposed to draw. Still, I'm gonna do it because I like to suffer. Man, I'm just killing this drawing in a really bad way. What the fuck did I do? What the fuck am I doing? Why are you smaller than the other members? Why are your legs so spread? That's what he said. Anyways, I should stop making that's what he said jokes. Oh my god. Why do you have such wide shoulders? I will show this drawing to you once for a fucking millisecond and that's all. How was your BTS exam experience? Write in your answers. I will write in the answer. I wrote, I wanted to die. Thank you for bringing my army ego down. Please write a message for all the army who are working on this exam right now. For the 20th question I answered, I hope you all do this exam well and make Bangtan proud, unlike me. Army, fighting, Burahi. Now it's time for us to check the marks. So hi, this is voiceover Danya here. So I tried to edit the video of me, correcting the paper, but the video seemed to go for super long. So I decided to just voice over it to you. So yes, I'll tell you how many marks I got and the percentile of it. So yes, I got 11 out of 17, which I am super proud of, and I got 64.7%, which is a pretty good mark considering the fact that I thought I'd do super bad in this. So yeah, 11 questions right, you sick motherfuckers. Suck it. It's not a bad percentage, I'd say. I got over 50%, which is a pretty big thing for me. And I thought I'd ace this exam because I've stand them for 3 fucking years. Well, how wrong was I? Y'all just witnessed me going through existential crisis while trying to ace this exam. And yes, I got a pretty decent mark, I'd say. Like 11 out of 17 is not bad, yo. This was a learning experience. I wouldn't say, yeah, it was fun too, but it was just me suffering for most of it. I was just super scared I'd get all the questions wrong. And yeah, the army fandom would comment my asses in the comment section and be like, bitch, you are a disgrace to us. Well, I'm a disgrace to the whole of Homo sapiens. So that is that. And I guess this was pretty fun. And I'll catch y'all later in the next video if I ever put one up. So yes, bye.